Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can open Yahoo Mail without verification code in 2024. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First of all, open up your Yahoo website on your browser. You can easily access its website at yahoo.com. Now click on the sign in button at the top right side. After that, fill in all the necessary details to create your Yahoo account. Once done, now simply click on the next button below it. Now it will ask you to enter your verification code. You just need to click on the try signing in another way option to open your account without a verification code. Now you can select another sign-in method like confirming your phone number or the email address in your profile. After that, you will be logged into your Yahoo account. So that's basically how you can open Yahoo Mail without verification code in 2024. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.